All right, so I got a table method going here. All right, which means that if I have a straight line, suppose I am asked, I need to sketch y equals to negative 2x plus 5, and I want to use the table method, right? Using the table method. The first thing is I am going to create some kind of table, so x and y, and let's produce some x values and some y values. Okay, so we have x equals, let's say, negative 1, 0, and 1. Now to find this particular y value, what I need to do is take the x, which is negative 1, and then plus 5. So that's 2 plus 5, which will get you 7. So y will equal 7. For this one over here, it's going to be y equals to negative 2 times 0 plus 5. And so y will equal 0 plus 5, which is 5. For this value over here, same thing applies, just changing that x value into 1, putting it in there, and then multiplying it by 2, and then adding 5. Will get you y equals negative 2 times 1 plus 5. And so that will equal negative 2 plus 5, which is 3. And so y equals that, and that's what we need to sketch. Now, each of these are coordinates that we have to make sure we remember. So this over here is the coordinate negative 1 and 7. This is the coordinate 0 and 5. And this is the coordinate 1 and 3. And so we can plot this now and just join dots after that. So we put our y-axis, our x-axis, label a few points in there. All right, so we got to go up till 7. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Let's make this a little bigger, maybe just because there's more space needed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then going downwards as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But let's plot negative 1 first and 7. Negative 1 and 7 means that I have to go left by 1 and up 7. So I'm starting here. I go left by 1, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I end up over there. That's going to be my first point, which is in line there, negative 1 and 7. Next one stays as is, just goes up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one goes right 1 and up 3. So that goes right 1 and then up 1, 2, 3, which will end up there. You can see the 3 dots look like they're forming a straight line, which is a good thing. That means you plotted it correctly, and then it goes all the way through there. So at the moment, it should go more or less. All right, it's just a sketch for now. But that's the graph that we're looking for. And that's my y-axis, and that's my x-axis. And I've now sketched y equals negative 2x plus 5 using the table method with 3 values.